Unveiling the magic. Understanding filters and effects. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of filters and effects. Whether you're editing photos, videos, or just playing around with your smartphone camera, understanding these tools can transform your content. Let's explore how filters and effects can enhance your projects and why they're so important in digital creation. Filters are tools that modify the appearance of images or videos by changing aspects like color, brightness, and contrast. Imagine wearing sunglasses. The world looks different through the lenses. Similarly, applying a filter can make a photo or video appear warmer, cooler, or even vintage. Filters can be simple, like black and white, or complex, simulating specific film stocks or artistic styles. Effects, on the other hand, are more about adding elements or altering the image or video in a way that goes beyond basic color adjustments. This can include adding textures, light flares, motion blur, or even 3D animations. Effects can transform a simple video into a storytelling piece, adding drama, humor, or sophistication. Using filters and effects can enhance storytelling, convey mood or emotion, and bring a professional touch to your projects. They allow creators to express their vision and engage with their audience on a deeper level. Whether it's making a sunset more dramatic or adding snow to a winter scene, these tools can significantly impact your work's feel and message. 1. Start with a goal. Know what mood or style you want to achieve. 2. Less is often more. Overdoing effects can distract from your message. 3. Experiment. Try different filters and effects to see what works best. 4. Keep learning. Stay updated with new tools and techniques to enhance your skills. We hope this exploration of filters and effects has sparked your creativity and inspired you to experiment with your own projects. Remember, the key is to use these tools thoughtfully to enhance your story and connect with your audience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing what you create. Happy editing!